Alright. Good luck, good luck.
Di ako makasigaw.
Push out of the slip. Ayan na. Okay na? Start. Okay na? Okay. Ikot, ikot. Ikot lagi na. First set. First set. Go. Next. Second ball. Oh. Hindi nakuha. Third service. Malakas. First ball. Second ball. Pinawin agad ang bola. Leader. Second ball again. Also Fabrics. Pumasok. Pumasok. First ball. Pumasok. Second ball. Pinawin. Ayan na. Nice ball. Pinawin. Pinasok. Second ball na leader. Pinawin. Good defense. Pinawin. Second ball. Pumasok. Score. 3-1. Service. First ball. Second ball. First ball. Pinawin. Ayan na. Good defense. Pinawin. Tala. This good defense also. Ayan na. Ating Marie. Right. Ayan na. Nice. Good play. Second ball. Ayan na. Fabrics. Second ball. Pinawin. Again. Pinawin. Dinabo. Ayan na. What a good play. Nakatanon na. Pero, service good. Good. What a good play for Fabrics. Good. Oh! Ng Fabrics. Pero, again, service good. Pinawin agad ang bola. Fabrics. Ng Fabrics. Catch. Pinalo. Nice defense for Lady Eagle. Ayan na, si 21. Igulog. That's in. Score is 5. Ayan na. Kaya service. What a good. Diba talaga si Manny Boy? Okay. Second ball. Third ball. Pinawin ka ang bola. Second ball. Third ball. Pumalo. Malakas. Outside. Service. Ayan na. Second ball. Third ball. May tawid ka. Ayan na. Pumalo. Service. Pero Eagles good. Pero nagpalayo. Service good. Ayan na. First ball. Third ball. Our score. Service for Eagle and Eagle. Outside. Service good for Happy Beach. Oh, second ball. He can go in. Number 21 service for Lady Eagle. Service good. Second ball. Away. Defense for Lady Eagle. Second ball. Pinawin pa yung bola. Ayan na. Ayan na. Service. For Fabrics good. Second ball. Pinawin agad ang bola. Fabrics. Second ball. That's Tumalo. Good defense for Lady Eagle. What a good offense for number 92, Lady Eagle. Score is 9-8. Number 8 is good. Ayan na. Ate Marie. Ate Chip. Score is all 9. Ayan na. Ate Marie, good defense. Second ball. Third ball for Guts. Ayan na. Number 21. Ang ating score. Labag na ng Lady Eagle ang isa. Ayan na, service good. That's Pinalik. First ball from Lady Eagle. Second ball. 21, perfect. Pinalik. Ayan na, second ball. Pinalik. Pilano. Palayo. Outside. Ayan na. Ayan na, good. Service. Pinalik. Service. That's Pinalik agad ang bola. Lady Eagle. What a good play. Pinalik play ng bola. Second ball ng Lady Eagle. Third ball. That's good defense. Pinalik. Good defense also. First ball. Second ball. Pinalik. Lady Eagle. Ayan na. Number 21. Hey! Dito pasok. Okay, 13 foul ang ating score. Lumaga.
Ano ang pangalan?
Tungkol malayo ang Lady Eagle. Ayan na. Second ball to Bobby. Good, ito yung Capola. Good defense for Lady Eagle. Tala, usok. Second ball, third ball touch. Wala, good defense for Lady Eagle. Again, ayan na. Binalot agad ang bola. Second ball. Pinulak, pabalik. Pinalik, sunod. Catch, pumalo. Hey! Hindi na bulgansa ng Lady Eagle. Score, 13 points. Ayan na. Good service to number 7 ng Lady Eagle. 14-11. Ayan na. Second ball. Take away. First ball, no mabiling. Second ball. That's Pinulog. Inside. Pabalik sa score. Ayan na.
Suka, walang
Good
problema.
service. Second ball. Ay, hindi ko nakasot. Ayan na. Isa na lang. 13-13 ang ating score. Ayan na. Boom! Good job! Ay, wala ka. Hindi na ako ng mga games. Ayan, service. Good receive the ball. Ay! Service. Outside.
Binas, scatter. Hindi. 40 na lang
Tikit ang laban. Ganda. Ganda ng laban. Tikit. Palitan na ng score. Ayan na. Tala. Service good. Second ball. Pinalig. Good receive for Tala. Again. Second ball. Pinalig. Maverick. Lady Eagle again. Again. Tala. What a good play for Tala. Ayan na. 21. Also good defense for Tats. Ayan na. Tats again. It's receive the ball. Tats. Bumelo. Pumalo. Whoa! Hindi na receive the ball. Nice play for Tats. Nice offense. Okay. 19-17 ang ating score. Second ball. First ball. Pagkabing second ball. Ayan na. Pumalo. Uy! Pumasok. Again. Pinalo ang Tibari. Sinit. Pinulak ang bola. Sama ng tao. Galing. Nakakita ng putas doon. Score. 20-17. Last point na po ang Maverick. Last 5. Yan na po. Oy! 21-17 ang ating score. Twenty 21-17 last 4. 92, single ball, pinalig agad. Sinet, ayan na. Uy, di pumasok. Sayang. 21, ayan na. Good serve. Pinalig agad ang bola ng Maverick. First ball, second ball. First ball ng Maverick, second ball. Sinet. Pumalo. Galing. Walang tao dito. Last 3 na po, ang Maverick. 22-18 ang ating score. Apat ang laban. Ng Maverick. Ayan na. Bala, good defense, second ball. Sport, pinawin, pagkala, third ball. At iba rin, pass, tinulog. Good defense for number 92. Again, at iba rin, pass. Proper good play. One, second ball. Okay, wala na. May hapon na pang referee. Yan na, pinari, catch. Pinari agad ang bola. Receive the ball for second ball. It's good. Third ball, pinari na. Yan na. Nice defense. Wala ko rin. Ngunit outside. Number 21. Service. Good. Oh, outside. 23-20. Tatlo na lang. Tatlo na lang. Uy! Di pumasok. 24-20. Last one. For Maverick. Yan na, service. Layo, outside. Binigay ko yung coach. Hindi na rin si coach eh. Sikat na kanyan. 24-21 ang ating score. That's service. And receive the ball. Second ball. Good. Chance ball. Pinawin ang bola. Ayan, chance ball. That's. Pumalo. Pumasok. Oh. First swing. To our first set. Gamira, okay. Tito Gamira. Bye-bye. 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 Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay ba tayo, Jai? Ready? Lady Eagle, service good. Happy Beach, Kumalo. Ooh! First goal, for Maverick, 1-0. Service for Jay, for Maverick. Oh! That's a good serve. Oh, 0. Malayo pa yan. Dalawa lang yun. Malayo pa yan. Jay, service, good. Second ball, Pulawin. Maverick. Ayan na. Pumasok, ito. Number 94, Lady Eagle, service good. Ayan na, number 15, Api Marie. Pass. Alogo. First ball for Lady Eagle. Ayan na. Api Marie. Oh, nice defense for Lady Eagle. Take one, Marie. Second ball. Again. Ayan na. Tinulak ang kagura papunta doon Api Marie. Ayan na. Oh, second ball. It's good. Third ball, Kaya, take away, Pumari, that's good defense, very illegal, Pinalig, kakaba ng rally, grabe, yan na, second ball, good defense, Mumabili, again, Pinalig, first ball, for the illegal, Pinalig, oy! Okay, bakla yun. Ay, bakla! Meron na tayo. Sabay ko yung rating ko dito. Okay. Kita rin service good. Tapos na ito po. Kita rin. Oy! Bakla yun na rin. Bakla yung bakla. Score natin yung score 1. Ayan na. Finish. Ayan na. Finish. Hey! Bakit na si manager? Kailangan na dito na. Go team. Game. Number 6 out. Again. Number 8 in. Number 7 out. Okay. Ready? Score natin is 5-1. Ayun, baka makakapagtayo na sa akin dito. Alright. First ball for Lady Egan. 21, Kiawit. Ayan na. Open spike. Okay, hindi yung flag. Release. Ayan na. Good effort for Liz. Second ball, Kiawit. Lady Egan, good defense. Ayan na, open spike. 21, good defense for Fabric. Suration sa kabila. Kiawit. Oh! First ball for Nation. Fabric. Score. 6-1 ang ating score. Malay namin sa'yo, Coach. Ginapit ka natin si Coach. Ayun na, 6-1 ang ating score. Hey, what a good play to number 21. Tantahan lang, eh. Set. 21 ulit. Again. Nation. Ayun na, open spike, 21. Okay, outside. For Akmari. Ready again. Oh! Ito na. Ayan na. First ball, second ball, ready again. Big one, pinawid, wala. Di pumasok. Third one, ang ating score. Ayan na. Ready again, good defense. Bahala, second ball. Pinawid. Again. Alright, let's go back to the ball game. Score natin is 11-1. The batting service. Lady Egan. First ball, second ball, pinawid. Good defense, good play. Nation, pinalik. Ayan na. Chance ball. Pinalik, pinawid sa kabila. Second ball, pinawid, ginawa. What a good play. Ayan na, Liz, tumalo.
Sa pagkatagal naman niya.
Ayan na. Okay. 11-3. Good ball. Second ball. Good ball. Oy, good job. Rachel, tumalo. Itawid ko bola. Ayan na. Alright. Service for Liz. Rachel pala si Rachel. Ayan na. Oh! Kahiyangan na yun. Ayan na, Rachel. Service. First ball. Good. Good defense for Rachel. Liz, Pinalo. Dito pasok. Score. 34. Ready Egan, yun na, service, dots. Okay, pumasok. Number 92, Smith. Good job. Putas ko. What a good play to number 21. 25. Walo na lang naman. Ng Patrick. Service. Outside. Ayan na. Second ball. Ayan na. Good ball. Ganda. Ayan na. Wala pagkakatabi na kayo. Nabibigit mo si Tuloy. Balot. Dalawang balot.
Oy, putang ng balot dito! Sa Matakalo!
Service. Oh! tayo ng ating score. 5 na lang. Number 21. Hindi ko pwede. Ayan na. First ball for Lady Eagle. Ayan na. Sumaru. That's. Relax sila. Kailangan. 50 tayo ng ating score. Nagagalit mo, nagtitinda ng balon. Please, service. Service good. Second ball, good leader. Third ball, good offense. Ayan na. Okay, kaya. Six nine. Ayan na, tumarin. Dots. Brunog. Good defense for Maverick. Ayan na, Dots. Buwalo. Dito lasok. 65, anim. Ayan na. Good defense for Maverick. Pinalik agad. Good. Good. Dots. Pumasok. Dito lasok. Score. Ooh. Good na receive. Pero mo Dots. Nakagawin mo. Ayan na. Charge ball. Rachel, Pumalo. Malakas. Outside. 13-7. Ayan na. Outside. Ready. Correct. Maverick service. Yung pumasok. Service error. Good. Nagtaas po na. Okay. Rachel, Pumalo. What a good spike for Rachel. Pumaroon. First ball for Lady Eagle. Second ball for the win. That's good defense. Maverick. Ayan na, si Liz Pumalo. Pinalik agad ang bola. Ayan na. Rachel, Pumalo. Good defense for Lady Eagle. Ayan na. Second ball for the win. What a good play. Oh, outside. Last fight na po. Ayan na. Pumaroon. First ball for Maverick. Rachel, Pumalo. Oh. Oh. Ayan na. Oh, what a good save for Kala. Apat na lang, kalawang. Ng Maverick.
Nakita mo, Idol? Balat na mainin. Pati may rapong ball.
Good defense. Rachel, first ball, Pumalo. Ayan na, nagkamita. Second ball for Lady Eagle. Pumalo. Oh, good defense for that second ball. Again, good defense for Lady Eagle. Nakapanungali ko to. Ayan na. At pa rin. Rachel, Pumalo. Good defense for Lady Eagle. Second ball. Pumasok. Ayan na. Third ball. Ayan na. What a good play. Nakapanungali. Ayan na. Talo, defense. Second ball. Third ball. Ayan. Gandaan. Gandaan ito. Score natin is 21-16. Gandaan lang. Okay lang.
Boom!
Okay lang ba? Gandaan lang. The score is 21-16. Service for Rachel. Good. Ayan na. Bats. Bulog. Williams. First ball. Second ball. Third ball. Bukyan. Ayan na. Bats. Pumalo. Pagkitas. First ball. Second ball. Third ball. Pinawit. Uy. Outside.
So, dako, magkakaglawas na yun.
Last three na po ang Mavericks. 22-16. Ang ating score. Service for Rachel. For Maverick. Ayan na. First ball. Second ball. Ooh. Good defense for Lady Eagle. Second ball. Pumasok. Ooh. Ayan na. First ball. Good defense. Pinalik. Second ball. Rachel. Good defense also. Ayan na. Please. Pinalik. Tala. Second ball. Ayan na. Third ball. Ayan na. Mavericks. First ball. Das. Pumalo. Wala na naka-receive. Congratulations. Tigers, okay naman, okay. Good play. That's a good play. Nice play po. Lubigin. Nice play. Good lang, ganda yung laban. Nice play. Nice play. Best player, number 21, Dots. Best player, Dots. Halika, Dots. Picture mo na, dali. Best player, Dots. Asan siya?
Kaya pala, namimili ka pala ngayon, namimili ka.
Ilan na yan?
Congrats, best player. Next game.